Hello, today I'm sharing a recipe from my recipe binder, biscuits and sausage gravy. This recipe goes well with the buttermilk biscuits from my other video. In a pot, brown 1 pound of ground sausage. Cook the sausage on medium heat, breaking it up into pieces and cooking until no pink remains. This will take about 10 minutes. When the sausage is cooked through, add 2 tablespoons of butter and stir until it is melted. When the butter has melted, add in half a cup of all-purpose flour and stir into the sausage until dissolved. Whisk in 4 cups of milk, along with your spices, which are 1 teaspoon of ground black pepper, 1 teaspoon of sage, and the optional 1/4 teaspoon of red pepper flakes. Raise the heat and bring the mixture to a boil. Once boiling, reduce the heat to low and continuously whisk until the gravy begins to thicken. This will take about 5 minutes. give it a final stir, taste and adjust the seasoning, then serve over a couple of warm biscuits. From my kitchen to yours, biscuits and sausage gravy. If you like this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe. Also, make sure you hit the notification bell to stay up to date on my cooking adventures. Thanks for watching. See you next time.